Hey everybody, in this video we're going to talk about what a lead magnet is and what makes a great lead magnet. Hey everybody, Keith Bell here from Funnellosophy.com, and like I said in the intro here, in this video we're going to talk about what is a lead magnet. We're going to go through and we're going to define it, tell you what it is, we're going to tell you what its purpose is, I'm going to tell you when you use it, and we're going to talk about the 5 different types of lead magnets. So if you like this content and you want to see more of it, please make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell. I put out new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 3 p.m. So I try to keep it consistent so you get a regular publishing of different types of content. And if there's something that you want to see me talk about, please comment in the description below and I'll make sure that I make a video on it. So, what is a lead magnet? How do we define a lead magnet? Ryan Dice, CEO and founder of Digital Marketer, defines a lead magnet as a small chunk of value that solves a specific problem for a specific market that is offered in exchange for an opt-in. Okay, now that we've defined a lead magnet, we have to talk about what its purpose is. When do we use a lead magnet? What does it do for us? So in its simplest terms, the purpose of a lead magnet is to give value first in exchange for their contact information. It generates a lead. So if you think about this in the traditional offline market, you don't get value from something until you what? Until you actually pay for it and take the product home. You may do a lot of research on the product, you may learn a lot about the product first, but you don't actually get the value from the product until you take it home. Well, with a lead magnet, this is different. We're going to give you some value first, give you something in exchange first for your contact information. And in essence, it generates a lead. So when do we use it? When do we use a lead magnet? A lead magnet is used at the very top of the funnel. You'll also hear other marketers call this tofu, top of the funnel content. The lead magnet is what draws people into the beginning of your funnel. It's what gets them started. It generates a lead. Let's talk about what a lead magnet is not. Let me give you an example here of what a lead magnet is not. This is not a lead magnet. Any website that you go to is going to have some sort of a sign up and subscribe to their email list or to their newsletter. This is not a lead magnet. This does not provide value first in exchange for their information. They do get value, but it's on the back end. It's after they provide their information. Let's talk about the 5 types of lead magnet. What qualifies as a quality lead magnet that people are going to take advantage of and opt into? Number 1, your lead magnet should make a specific promise. Here's a great example of a lead magnet that makes a specific promise. This is from a company called Paramount Retirement Solutions, and they're talking about 31 ways to save money on Medicare. Very clear cut. You know what you're opting into, and you know the value that you're going to get. This is a great example of a lead magnet that makes a specific promise. Number 2, your lead magnet gives a specific example. So here's an example of a lead magnet that gives a very specific example. How I made $4,300 in affiliate commission with free traffic without spending a single dime on ads. Can't get much more specific than that. They make a very specific assertion there, how they made $4,300 in commissions, but more importantly, how they did it with free traffic and no ad cost. Number 3, your lead magnet gives a specific shortcut. Okay, here we have 2 great examples of offering a specific shortcut. On the left here, we have a lead magnet from debthelper.com. What it is a free budget spreadsheet. They go into stop losing sleep over your expenses. If you're like me, and I know a lot of people are like this, you sit there and you crunch numbers in your head. I'm a charts and graphs kind of guy, so an Excel spreadsheet that I can plug my monthly budget in would probably be something I would want to opt into and have. On the right here is a checklist. Okay, checklists and lists are great specific shortcuts. In this checklist, it's a Facebook Live quick start checklist. Grab this free checklist and get rolling with Facebook Live. So we have two great examples here of offering a specific shortcut. Number 4, your lead magnet offers an answer to a specific question. All right, here we have two examples of a lead magnet that answers a specific question. On the left here, we have something from OptiMonster. It's 12 proven ways to convert abandoned visitors into subscribers. This would definitely be something that I would be interested in downloading because abandoned visitors are somebody that we want to turn into subscribers, and if you can master that, you're well on your way to being successful. And on the right here, we have how to create irresistible lead magnets for your business. If you're a new person, this is something you would definitely be interested in, how to create irresistible lead magnets. Number 5, last but not least, a lead magnet offers a specific discount. So delivering a specific discount is typically associated with a e-commerce type platform, a Shopify store, someone that is selling a subscription service. We have two great examples here on the left. This is from buycostumes.com. You get $25 off your first order, and what they got to do is put their email information in and they'll get their $25 off their order. And on the right here, we have ChefWorks, get $10 off your order, activate my $10 off discount, and all they have to do is enter their email address. So there you have it. That's what a lead magnet is, and we talked about the 5 great ways to build a lead magnet and what it's used for and what its purpose is for. The bottom line is a lead magnet is designed to get you more leads. It's an attractive piece of content that draws people in and gets them to opt in or subscribe to your list, because ultimately your list is one of your best sources of revenue. It's traffic that you control. It's traffic that you own. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, smash that notification bell, and we will see you next time here at Funnellosophy. Take care.